A dolphin can swim, but it can't fly. It has got one short flippers. It has got two short flippers, one big body, one short tail, two small eyes, one long nose. A parrot can fly, but it can't run. A parrot can walk, but it can't swim. It has got two small eyes, one small nose, one big body, two small legs, and one long tail. An elephant can walk, but it can run. An elephant runs.
An elephant has got
one big head, two big, short, long ears, one big nose, one long big body, four short legs. It is a giraffe. A giraffe can run, but it can swim. It has got long neck. It has got four short, long legs. It has got one short head. It has got one long tail. It can swim. It can run. It can climb. It can jump. It has got two ears. It has got one nose. It has got a long arms. This is snake. A snake can't walk, but can slice. It has got two small eyes. while a whale can swim, but it can walk. It has got one head, one long time. It has got one long body. It has got one long mouth. This is a fox. A fox has got two small ears, a short neck, a big body, a big tail, four long legs, a small nose, two small ears, and a short nose. It is a gorilla. It has got small eyes. It has got a small nose. It has got a big head. It has got long legs. It has got long arms. Iguana can swim. It can fly. It has got two man is only one big body. Its tail one big. Cat one big body. This is a shark. It can swim, but can fly.
It
Can fly. It has got two big eyes. It has got tail, a long tail. It has got one mouth, big mouth. It has got flipper. A long, big body. A rabbit has got two short ears, one small nose, one small mouth, two long ears, one big body, one small tail, four short legs. A rabbit can jump, but it can't fly. This is a tiger. A tiger too small
has got
has got